We are little aware that the bees give us 5 other interesting products besides honey. All of them can be used in food and for medical purposes. We will present nutritional and medicinal value of honey pollen and royal jelly, and in part 2 we will continue with propolis bee venom and wax. We must also not forget that bees are important for pollinating the flowers. Honey is produced from nectar of flowers or honeydew of trees. In the bees the sucrose is broken into glucose and fructose. The honey is deposited in the honeycomb cells, where it continues to mature. Excess water evaporates to create a thick solution that does not spoil. Honey contains about 75% sugar, 20% water, some essential oils, proteins, acids, minerals and other substances. Its use for the treatment of skin wounds is also very old. Antimicrobial activity is due to the high sugar content, essential oils, and peroxide-producing enzymes. Pollen is formed in flowers. The bees collect it on their bodies and carry it in a special basket on the legs. It contains about 30% of proteins, 55% of carbohydrates, 2% of fat, 3% of minerals and vitamins. Due to the high nutritional value, it is a useful addition to nutrition for both patients and healthy people. Since the price of pollen is relatively high, it is difficult to compete with other cheaper foods with similar nutritional value. Royal jelly is a secretion of the glands of young bees and is used to feed the queen bee. It is so nutritious that the queen can daily produce 3 times as much eggs as its own weight and live for 5 years, while worker bees who eat honey and pollen live only 40 days. Royal jelly is a rich source of proteins, sugar, fats, vitamins and minerals. Due to the relatively complex production process, royal jelly is very expensive and is used only in small quantities.
Please subscribe to the Chamomile Advice channel on YouTube.